Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing how to braid starting from the roots of the hair. I already have a video showing how to prep braiding hair to give it that feather tips. So if you're wondering how that is achieved, you could check out one of my previous videos. In fact, to make it easier, I have a playlist on every hair video I have made, so you can just check that out. It's one of the latest videos I uploaded recently to see how to achieve a perfect feather tips on your braiding hair. So let's get right on to the tutorial. When braiding hair, the first thing to do in most cases is to brush out the hair to give it that smooth feel on your fingers. And after that, you set the attachment properly on your fingers. In doing so, you separate one part into two and then twist before passing your finger right through the separated parts. Now this already helps you, have your braiding hair in three portions and makes it easy for you when catching the hair from the roots. So as you can see, the natural hair was also parted in three portions to rhyme with the three portions of the braiding hair. So I'm just going to slow this video down for those of you who need to learn not just how to start braiding from the roots of the hair alone, but also learn how to braid hair. And I mean like learn the direction of the fingers when braiding hair. So when braiding, there is usually a portion or two that are significantly smaller in size. Now what happens in such situation is to take hair from the one that is bigger in size, like it's being done right now, and add to the ones that are smaller in size to give the braid a uniform finished look. So this, guys, is how to braid starting from the roots of one's natural hair. I also have a video showing how I trim braided hair quickly and easily, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. I'll also leave the link of the video where I showed how to prep braiding hair to give it that feather tips in the description box below as well. So guys, if you liked this video, if you felt the video was useful, which I'm hoping you did, please do well to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. I would really appreciate it. Like, you guys don't know how I appreciate the love and support you guys show. Like, it's really fully 100% appreciated. Till my next video, guys. Till next time, stay blessed, stay out of trouble, and as always, I love you all.